So if you have taken the plunge to buy this, you definitely need to buy this as well. With the Mini 3 Pro, DJI has decided that the Fly More combo is sold as a separate kit. And this is of course super smart, as you can sort of combine all the options that they have made available for the kit that you want. But there's really no way that you will get by with only a single battery. So it will be an advantage for you to invest in the Fly More kit to get 2 extra batteries and getting some of the other options that we're getting used to with the Fly More option. So let's just take a look inside and try and pack the bag to see if everything fits nicely where it's supposed to be. So this is the bag. It does, I have the Mini 2 bag here, so you can see, if you compare it is literally the same size. But they have taken away the handle on the side. I found that very useful if you don't want to end up using it like a man purse. That you had this handle on the side of that Mini 2 bag. But that's gone now. Yeah, that's gone. If we open here, take a look inside. We have, so here we have the charging hub, where the batteries are located. On the end of that one, we have a power button, USB-C and a USB-A. So just by a single press here, you will be able to see the charge of each of the battery that is sort of stored in the Cradle. This Cradle is super practical when you're going to charge your batteries. But you need to know that it will only charge one battery at a time, and you have to hook it up with a charger. The Fly More combo does not include a charger. That is sold separately. And you need a quite powerful one to charge your batteries on your drone if it doesn't need to take forever for you to complete it. It would have been nice for DJI to include a charger for the $189 US that you have to pay for the Fly More kit. So what else do we have here? We have the usual instructions. Then if we dig into the lid here, we will have 2 sets of extra props. We will have a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. The interior of the bag is the same as we had with the Mini 2. There are 3 separate compartments inside the bag. Let's just see if we can make everything fit. So the drone fits in this room. If we are lucky, we can fit the remote in this. And then doesn't seem to fit that well here. So the charging cradle does basically not fit in the back here. So we need to do something like this instead. In this way, I will be capable of, because it's always nice that the sticks are mounted so you're ready to fly. The smart controller here makes it, or the DJI RC makes it a lot easier to get airborne. So if you do it like this, you can, some would probably say not, but you can't basically store everything here inside. But it is a bit disappointing that this one is not, basically there's no room for this one in the back. As at least I would like to bring my charging cradle when I'm on the go. This is not only reserved for me at home. If I zip the zipper, it will look something like we have seen before. So this is what you'll be getting with the Fly More kit. And in case you haven't bought the drone yet or this Fly More kit, then there's of course links in the description below. If you haven't made up your mind yet and still needs a little bit of convincing, I've made a ton of videos about the Mini 3 Pro as it is already now. And I've compiled all those videos into a playlist that you can access through this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.